Hello everyone, this is Charles Shima and I am in this beautiful kitchen in Rwanda. Stay tuned because this is the kitchen I would like to have you one day come in and make you meal when you visit Rwanda. So I have decided to cook today. You know, trust me, it's special because I'm busy, I'm so busy changing the world. But today, one of my passions is cooking. It's just a time. And so, these are onions. Look at these nice onions. And I have my minced meat here. Remember, in Rwanda, we use paper bags here. This is just on the inside. I have some tomato paste. I have some pasta. I was really going for made in Rwanda, and I tried to do it. I guess we have the midi onions. But I guess we haven't made pasta yet. So, if you listen to this, whoever makes the food in Rwanda, we need our own made in Rwanda spaghetti and tomato paste too. More to come. The cooking continues. My goodness, this is pasta bolognese, by the way. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. We're making pasta bolognese. Pasta bolognese. I just realized I need some other ingredients, but I'm just cooking my meat now. And I must say something about the meat in Rwanda. It's really real. It's very tasty. It's very hard on your teeth as well. It's amazing. So yeah. Slowly smelling good, I can feel the flavors. Yes, I'm a chef too. Time for the big reveal. Pasta is ready. Made in Rwanda. At least I can say it's made in Rwanda because you know it's cooked in Rwanda. What? And I'm gonna enjoy this with my guests. Voila. Pasta bolognese. Rwandese. Made by the one and only CEO of the Organizer. So I need to. It doesn't have carrots, mushrooms, but pasta bolognese. Yes, it's amazing. Now I'm just gonna go eat. Time to eat.